Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with another Star Wars Doorables Galaxy Peak. The Galaxy Peak has 4 figures inside, and in all there are 25 to collect. So right now we have 8 of the 25, so we're just hoping for 4 new ones today. Here is the code on the bottom. It is A12, A12, and it should be the same on the wrapper, and it is A12. So this is what the packaging looks like. We have opened up 2 of these previously on the channel. You can watch those down in the playlist. Okay, let's open this one up. It's got perforation marks here. And then your capsule has a line down the center there, and it just splits in half. And then all your Doorables are inside, and we're just going to dump those out so I can show you how these two stand together to make a stand for them if you want to use the stand. Okay, let's move you guys down so you can see better. Keep you like right there. It comes with your checklist, which we have one right here. So here are all the different ones you can collect. And so far we do have Luke, who is a common. And we also have Han Solo, who's a rare. And we have R2-D2, who is a common. Yoda, who's a common. And we really want Greedo or Jabba the Hutt today. Jawa would be cool. The Stormtrooper would be really cool. Princess Leia, of course, would be cool. We have Rey, who's a common. BB-8, who's ultra rare. We have. And we have Bo-Katan, who's a rare. And we also have Professor, who's common. So we're just hoping for all new ones. And there are some I want more than others, so hopefully we find at least one of those. So this one is number 15. I was trying to feel to see if I could figure out who it was. I'm pretty sure it's somebody new. Look at there, right off the bat, we got Jabba the Hutt. So there is Jabba the Hutt. He's got, oops, gonna drop things first thing. He landed right side up. He's got orange eyes. They look kind of like snake eyes. And he doesn't look very happy. But there he is. That's Jabba the Hutt. And I think I said he was a rare. He is. So we'll put him right here. I'm glad to add him because I really wanted to see him in person. Okay, this one is number 4. He kind of feels new too. That's all that really matters. No. We got a duplicate. This one is R2-D2. So R2-D2 is really cool. He's actually very detailed to be such a little figure. Look at all of his buttons and everything really stand out. His little antenna. So we'll just throw him over there to the side. And here is the next one, number 6. And we got Jawa. And Jawa's got gold eyes. And he's holding something in his hand. I do gotta say, they are very detailed to be so little. So there's Jawa, and Jawa's a common. That's 2 of the 3 I really wanted. I really want Wicket too, but I got him on his rider. So this one's number 9. And number 9 is Leia. Or not Leia. Rey. And we already have Rey, so she is a duplicate. I didn't notice her hair before. Look at how detailed that is. She looks very determined. She's going to win. And she's a duplicate. So we got 2 new ones. We got Jabba the Hutt and Jawa. And I'm very happy to have these 2 finally in the collection. And then I do list my extras on eBay. And you can find my eBay down in the description. Let me know who your favorite was in today's opening. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you love Star Wars Doorables. And subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.